Our new industry-leading website delivers meaningful, personalized, and up-to-date information and insights. Seamlessly access all our digital services using one login. Manage your preferences through personalized dashboards and customize your experience to stay on top of what is important to you and your operations in today's rapidly evolving maritime world. Save favorite contacts and correspondence. Curate tailored contact lists for instant access. Or bookmark content. Our enhanced search functionality makes it easier and quicker than ever to find the information you need.